Welcome to IAT channel, and please subscribe to get our updates. Something very important came up that we need to address. This is not the first time anyway. I believe if well managed, certain things will go well, and if not well managed, things might go wrong. You know, I am obedient actually, and this reason is because I want the best for us. Yes, I'm obedient, but there is a way to be better obedient, so we don't appear like what Mahatma Gandhi told some Christians. He said to them, I love your Jesus, but I hate you people's character. That's what Mahatma Gandhi tells Christians. That is to say, he likes how Jesus lived his life, but it seems his followers are not following the pattern. Numerous people like Peter Obi, but are not comfortable with the way some of his supporters, his followers, are going about the promotion or the marketing of Obi to Nigerians. For example, if Peter Obi sees Ike Ekweremadu today, he will cheerfully greet him, Ekweremadu, yet Obi knows very well that Ike Ekweremadu will not vote for him. He knows that not only will he not vote for him, Ike Ekweremadu will use all his resources to campaign and mobilize support for PDP and its presidential ticket bearer. Obi wouldn't have any qualms with that because that's politics and Obi understands it. But can Obi just gather his IGBO supporters and teach them this? In Igbo land, as it is in every other tribe and religion, politicians belong to various parties and are major stakeholders in their parties, and their primary responsibility is to deliver their parties. One Abraham Chiba from Benue declared yesterday that Benue people would vote Tinubu. It doesn't mean that all Benueans will vote Tinubu. After all, our PDP is ruling in Benue. And Otom will any day, anytime insist that the votes of Ndi Benue belong to Atiku. Many other stalwarts have declared that their states will vote certain candidates who are obviously members of their parties. It is no sin. It has always been a normal political statement. It's only in Igbo land that such statement has suddenly become blasphemy that requires instant justice, maybe by stoning. That's where we are today in Igbo land. Suddenly, the likes of Orji Uzokalo, Uche Oga, Nkiru Onye Chiocha, Hope Uzodema Rochas Okorocha, Emeka Nwajoba, Oboneonu, David Umahi, Pius Anyem, Ekwunife Ngige, and Andy Uba have all become sabos and jealous of Peter Obi for the fact that they have not abandoned their parties to support Peter Obi. Yet a Yoruba man, Doyin Okube, is the campaign DG of Peter Obi, and for now his running mate, despite a Yoruba having a presidential candidate. Many people have been alarmed at the sort of campaign our people are doing in the region, whose opinion and stand you must align with, or you are branded sabo and hounded. Osita Chidoka a few days ago called these guys out and told them that the votes of Ndibo alone cannot make Peter Obi president. How then do these guys solicit the votes of other tribes for Obi while castigating any of their own who may, for some reasons, be inclined to any other candidate aside Obi? Politics is a game. It is not emotion, and politicians understand it. Till date, many Igbo politicians don't think of Obi. They don't think he has a chance of emerging president in 2023, and don't see why they should abandon their parties with visible chances to support Obi. Well, as you may call them selfish, yes, selfishness can never be divorced from politics. No one spends a fortune without thinking first about a survivor. It's reality. Embrace it. The same selfishness is what could have made them align with Obi if they believe he has any chance. Yet again, selfishness can go beyond self to region. What will the Southeast as a region gain if every voter in the region abandons every other party to support Obi and labor party, and both candidate and party go on to fail. What stake will the Southeast region as a whole have in APC or the PDP if either of them will win? Obi supporters in the East should stop threatening people from speaking their minds and expressing themselves. Daily you tell the world that Igbos will vote for Labour. Such generalization is no sin. It only becomes sin when Ekweremadu or Umahi uses the same generalization to declare support for someone else. Dear Obi, Peter Obi, rein in some of your Igbo supporters. They are more of a liability than asset to your aspiration. Finally, feel free to call me names that suit you. My skin is thick already. I won't stop telling you the truth. This material is from Charles Kaye Okoye. But I want to add that Igbo seems to be the most politically disunited. And that is why some of our people feel others are sabotaging their efforts for not voting the most preferred Igbo choice as at this moment. While I agree with Charles Okoye to an extent, I would like to note that it is somehow if all the top Igbo political figures boycott Peter Obi. And some of the times it is because of this issue of everybody wanting to lead. They say, I too want to be president. I too want to be president. Who is he? He should come and vote for me. Since it was not given to me, an Igbo, no Igbo can have it. That's the mentality of some of these Igbos. Meanwhile, Igbos should not put their eggs in one basket. Makadigi mama. Viewers, what do you think about our stories today? Add your comment on the comment section of this video. I remain Azoka Ozo OJ. Bye bye for now.